Okay, so today we're going to answer this question. What is area? What is area? We've been talking about perimeter the last couple days, and we already know the perimeter is the distance around a figure, the distance around. So what is area? Well, area is everything inside, okay? So when we're talking about area, we're going to talk about units. So if you count the area, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 little boxes that we're going to call units. So the area equals 4 units squared. Okay? 4 units squared, because there's 4 boxes inside. But when you look at that, if you look at the perimeter, there's 1, 2. There's 2 columns. If you count the rows, there's 1, 2. So what you're doing is you're multiplying the columns and the rows. 2 times 2 is 4. So that's why it's 4 units squared, because we're multiplying the columns and the rows. So area is everything inside, but it's the same thing as multiplying the columns and the rows, or length and width, okay? Here's a harder one. So if you count the rows on the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 4 units for the width. And then the length going down, we have, this is still counts as 1, because remember in the corner, we got to count that twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units. If you multiply 9 times 4, your area would equal, I'll pause so you can think about it, 36 units squared, okay? So if I were to go and count every little box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. If I were to count every little box, you're going to get 36 units inside this figure. But a shortcut is multiplying your width and length, or the columns and then the rows. Okay? It's just basically when we're doing area, it's when we did our arrays for our multiplication several months back. It's the same thing. Okay? Last one. So look at this figure and think about what, without even counting, if you just, so there's my children fighting. If you think about how many are going across, we have 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area, if we multiply 3 times 6, 18 units squared. So this is great, teaching from home while having my children fight. So this is real life. Okay, so, and if you were to go and count the area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You would get 18. So when we're looking at area, area is everything inside. How many units inside a figure? Okay? So I'll come back to you with more activities tomorrow. So you could create an area if you wanted to. You could get a piece of paper or a cardboard box and get a straight edge. You can use a ruler if you have one, or you could even use a book.
Make a cardboard box for?
Or you could even just something that's hard. And you could draw lines and create a grid on paper or on a box, and then you could count the area yourself and practice counting area and by creating your own units, okay?